Umagatsheni, I am umagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uGogo Skhotheni. Bazala bamzitho, remember a few months back when Gogo Skhotheni announced that she is no longer a traditional healer, a gobela, and she is no longer using any kind of umuthi, guys. So uyamukela uNkosi nje, uyamukela uJesu njengoNkosi nomsindisi, and she now believes in uNkulunkulu qha. We know before she was one of those traditional healers who says uNkulunkulu nedlozi zihambelana, bekafana nathi nje kumnandi. But now she is saying uNkulunkulu nodlozi they are not the same thing, and yena indaba yobusangoma akayifuni because it's a dark place for her. For yena, she believes that izangoma they are doing dark things, and ubungoma it's a dark place to be in, so she do not want to be associated with that thing anymore. So yena as uGogo Skhotheni sekumuntu ubhekana noNkulunkulu nesonto qha. And remember, there were also videos that she was spotted preaching in Mabandleni, and she also said she wants isonto, ufuna uqala isonto, but she wants isonto as well attend fully, guys. Yena ubhekane nenkonzo kuphela now. So guys, guess what? I was scrolling through my TikTok, I saw this lady who posted engathi ubusangoma ceremony, guys. I do not know whether bekaphuma ephehlweni, but I don't think beyaphuma ephehlweni because of bekagqoke weave. I think it was le migidaba bazenzayo ezangoma. Who was spotted there? uGogo Skhotheni. Gogo Skhotheni attended that event, and she was also wearing ibhayi lezangoma. Remember Gogo Skhotheni said yena akasana next emhlanganisa nobungoma, akasana ndumba, akasana mabhayi, akasana mabhodlela, akasana muthi, akasazithinti lezo zinto lezo. But on that traditional ceremony or sangoma ceremony, whatever they call it, bekagqoke ibhayi lezangoma and bekagida nezangoma. I don't have a problem yena, I wouldn't see anything wrong if beka attende lapha agqoke, no, attende lapha but angagqokanga izangoma. I don't think if we are no longer like, if so ukhethe ukuthi wena uzosonta, I don't see anything wrong if uhamba nabantu abasese izangoma, as long as you are not doing whatever they are doing. My problem is that my issue is with this video. Ugqoke ibhayi lezangoma. I don't think ukhona umzalwane ugqoke ibhayi lezangoma now. I do not think. 2, ugida nezangoma. Usaligidelelani idlozi wena that you believe that you do not want to be part of that thing. So it seems like Gogo Skhotheni bekadlala ngathi, or she just wanted to trend, because one thing about Gogo Skhotheni, she'll do anything just to trend. Let's just be honest. She'll do anything just to trend. She'll do anything just to trend and to stay relevant. So I guess that time bekathi yena uyabiyeka ubungoma, and I even remember there were a lot of panels. Amathwasane wakhe complain ukuthi uyiyeka kanjani lento, wathi yena uyayeka akasafuni ungena, umuntu oyithwasa lakhe uyaxolisa. I remember nezangoma abo Dlamini, abomkhulu Dlamini, lot of zangoma they did the panel bamkhuza, and a lot of abanye bezangoma they did say lo muntu anyeka yeke lento, akayeka lento udlala ngathi. And abanye abantu were saying, because there were allegations that she's a fake sangoma or fake gobela, so they believe that lento yakhe bengasamsebenzeli ingakho bekasafile ngathi uyayeka, just because they believed that ngoba uthwele, they believed that uthwele, so hence mhlambe isithwala samsebenzeli. I for one, because I've been following ugirl, I've been following her the time asese ku Facebook, angabi lo Skhotheni awuyi. I think ifame yamngena enhloko kakhulu, then it confused the calling yakhe, then wakhethi fame kune calling yakhe. I did believe that she is truly called, because I would see abantu, even though I didn't do lezi zinto zakhe, but I would see abantu especially ukuthi umuntu bekafuna umntwana, samtholile umntwana, umuntu bekafuna umsebenzi. Phela if umuntu uyasebenza doesn't mean uzosebenzela wonke umuntu, even i-medical doctor, guys, anyeka nisize lokho. But if there are people abathi yes uyasebenza, yes uyasebenza, it doesn't mean if angasebenzanga kuwe akasebenzi. So I truly felt she's not a fake sangoma. I don't know ngobugobela, because amathwasa akhe amaningi they were saying bazithwasisa bona babodwa, hence I'm saying mhlambe ifame bayazithwasisa uhlala ngekho akanaki ingane yonke lento leyo. But yena nje mina I felt as if isangoma bekayisangoma sangamampela. For ubugobela I do not know, because I'm not a sangoma. I've never met isangoma thwasisa uGogo Skhotheni, but judging from the things that they were saying on the net, it seems like she was indeed a fake gobela. So Gogo Skhotheni, guys, went back kubungoma, guys. So I don't know uzophendula thini now, because unempendulo for everything, but this one, it is evident that ugogo attend imigidi yezangoma, and we won't say video yakudala because one, the PPL, two, the hairstyle, and uposted the video that I am posting 5 days. That means earlier weekend esibuya kuyo bo bebanalo yomgidi loyo, so ugele ubhalile musine-date. So that means ugogo Skhosana into yamanje ngayo lo October lesibuya kuyi, because now it's the 2nd of November. Yes, October. That means le video October ugogo Skhosana beka attenda umgidi wezangoma. So bazalwane mzithu, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.